right, guys, so I found this plant at the local grocery store and I am absolutely in love. The fullness is great. I'm thinking about like adding some, maybe like a pumpkin or something, like a small something to kind of indicate fall in there to kind of give the room just a pop. This gives like a nice little zhuzh to the room and also adds some height. It is chilly this morning and I'm just really getting into the like September spirit of it all. But I usually don't like decorate for fall specifically. Like I do fall and Halloween all together. And once Halloween passes, I take away the Halloween stuff and then you have fall stuff. So that way I'm able to enjoy both seasons for a decent amount of time. And that just makes my heart happy because we are slowly rolling into the holiday season. Halloween marks like the beginning of the end of the year. And I am so glad to see this year roll out of the way, and I'm ready for a new year to start. So I'm baking these muffins for the kids. They get out of school early today. And I just noticed that this is actually calling for the pan to be lined with cupcake liners. And guess what, guys? We don't have that. So we just gonna do the next best thing, girl. I absolutely love this time of the year. I'm definitely not a baker, but we are going to try this because why not? The muffins are made with almond flour and it's pumpkin muffins. And I feel like the kids would like it just to kind of get into, you know, the spirit of the cold weather. Even though I can't have this, the pumpkin in this smells absolutely amazing. But I can have pumpkin though, so there's that. We have the oven preheating so that we get that right. Y'all, I am so not a baker. I don't even know how many this is supposed to make. How do you guys fill your cups? Comment down below and let me know. If you're a baker, and if you're a baker and you have a family, you know, everybody's not gonna eat the same things you eat. So they get to enjoy a little bit. But how do you know when to stop filling your muffin cups? Because some of them will spill over. Right now we got 6. We still got a little more. Maybe there's 9 in here. Yeah, so today's workout was great. We have a new goal to meet. Now coach wants me to run 3 miles and then walk the rest of the hour. Oh, wait a minute. This is going to be 12. Okay. We'll see how they turn out. Hopefully I sprayed this good enough. Look, now I'm having mixed feelings about it. I'm like, did I spray this well? Are they gonna stick? I wanna say these are gluten-free too. I'm preparing these. The kids get out at 1:45 today, and I just wanna have a little afternoon snack for them because it is definitely fall on this side of the world for sure. We woke up to 35 degrees. I mean, who does that? In the Carolinas, it's definitely not that. Okay, so our oven is warm. You know what? I have some, what do you call it? Not sesame seeds. What you call those things? Sunflower seeds that I could really add to this, but it's too late now. Oh, it says drizzle dark chocolate on after baking if you want. Nice. We're gonna stick with what we got. All right, in the oven you go. Okay, so we got our muffins done, and now it's time to open packages that we got this week. So not really much, but I have to always share with you guys like things that I come across that I'm enjoying. So first things first, Walmart candles. Do not sleep on Walmart candles. Quit playing. The range of scent throw on these candles is amazing for the price point. $3, I think, and 97 cents. Whole house smelled. Whole house. I can smell the candle all over the house. So if you are a Bath and Body candle girly, I'm gonna need for you to, you know, keep your coin in mind just a little bit and try the Walmart candles, okay? Just try them, I promise. Now, I was Bath and Body girly too. I get it. I love the candles as well. But what I'm saying is here in Gunnison, I don't have that. So it's kind of forced me to find other ways to get that stuff in. So the Bath and Body Works candle, I feel like is comparable to the $3.97 candle that I get from Walmart. So why are we spending $20 during this time on candles when we can do a little bit better and get more for less? Okay, I'm all about saving a coin. The second thing on my list of things that I'm enjoying this month, my favorite vlogger, Peyton Charles. I've been watching her for quite some time now. She came out with a body care line that I've been so excited to try. And so she did a pre-order for all of her products. And I finally got my order. So yeah, so you guys are gonna open this and we're going to smell it. The name of the line is Dubai by Peyton Charles. Look at her, isn't she a baddie? It came with body wash, body oil, and body lotion. I think I just got one thing just to try it because, you know, up here in the winter, your skin gets really dry. So I wanted to try the body oil. So let's see what this smells like. So the packaging is great. And it's by the company Disrupt. A lot of people have already tried their products. They're pretty big. But they partnered with Peyton to help her do this first line. So we have some body oil. Look at there. So let's see what Dubai smells like together. Okay. Definitely ain't nobody gonna break in it. Nice pump. It's glass, so be very careful. Okay. Girl. After the shower, this is gonna be amazing. After a lift, or girl, before a lift. I'm really sensitive about putting stuff on my chest, so we'll have to see. The fragrance is very light and beautiful. I really can't describe it. It's like, it smells like nothing I've smelled before, to be honest. But it's definitely delicious. She got the inspiration for the fragrance when she went to visit Dubai. Now, the unfortunate part is that this line has already sold out. And so Peyton, if you're watching, we need a redo. Now, last thing is going to be my Scentbird subscription. I don't know what we got this month, but what I'm saying to you is if you are a fragrance person and you like to try different things, Scentbird is going to be a staple. A lot of the fragrances are so costly right now that you don't want to buy it unless you know how it smells and you can try it and see if you're gravitating to one or the other. And so that's what I like about Scentbird, is that it allows me the opportunity to smell designer fragrances, like the real thing, try it out, and decide whether I want to go and spend the $100, $200, $300, okay? So what we got today is actually two in here. I don't know. Girl, I don't even know how to say this one. Soleil Vibrant. It smells so good. Okay, so on a scale from 1 to 10, I'm gonna give that one, I wanna give it a 10. I'm just gonna be honest with you. Let's smell this other one. This is Pink Sugar. We're gonna try to spray it somewhere else. Girl, I got so many scents going on. I'm gonna give this a 5. Isn't that terrible? There's nothing catch me, grab me about it. It's really not. So I don't know who the creator behind this is, but I feel like I'll give this one to Willow. It's more of a playful, kind of youthful fragrance, whereas this one is grown woman. Youthful, grown woman. Okay. All right, guys. Well, thank you for spending time with me this week. We have definitely changed the scale a little bit. We are currently down a total of 10 pounds, rolling to 11. But our body fat is still not where it needs to be. But we're not worried about that. We're just going to stay the course and keep it moving. So, again, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to be beautiful your own way. Bye.